Is Lemon8 better than Clapper? The truth. Let's get started. When comparing Lemon8 and Clapper, it really comes down to what you are looking for in a social platform. Here's the truth about both, broken down for clarity. Lemon8 focuses on lifestyle, beauty, wellness, and travel content. It's essentially a mix of Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. It appeals to millennials and Gen Z users who enjoy visual storytelling with a polished aesthetic. It has heavy emphasis on curated influencer-like content, while Clapper markets itself as a TikTok alternative but leans into raw, unfiltered, and community-driven content. It is designed for creators who want to express themselves freely without over-policing their post. Lemon8 feels more polished and professional while Clapper is raw, real, and community-focused. Now talking about monetization, Lemon8 has no direct creator monetization as of now, but creators can indirectly monetize through brand collaborations, best for influencers looking to build a personal brand. While Clapper offers direct monetization options like live streams, tips, and subscriptions. It is more creator friendly for those seeking to make money directly from their audience. Clapper wins if you are focused on earning directly from your content. Lemon8 has clean, minimalistic interface optimized for scrolling and discovery. It has a Pinterest-like vibe with a heavy focus on images and style posts. Whereas Clapper is similarly to early TikTok but simpler with fewer filters and effects, focused on community and discussions rather than aesthetics. Lemon8 is better for inspiration while Clapper feels more conversational and grassroots. Lemon8 is owned by ByteDance, same as TikTok, so it may face scrutiny over data privacy concerns. It is popular among regions where TikTok thrives, but under similar regulatory pressures. Talking about Clapper, it is an independent platform with fewer privacy controversies. Popular in regions with stricter TikTok bans due to its alternative appeal. Clapper is likely safer for privacy-conscious users, while Lemon8 ByteDance ownership may raise concerns for some. Lemon8 is ideal for lifestyle creators, influencers, and those who value aesthetics and curated content. Clapper is perfect for creators seeking authentic engagement, monetization, and freedom to express themselves. In short, Lemon8 shines for inspiration and curated beauty, while Clapper excels in community, authenticity, and monetization opportunities. It all depends on your goals. I hope this video cleared out which app is better for you. If it did, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.